Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for powerful ways to add interactive scenario-based analysis to your Power BI reports, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into what-if analysis in Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up dynamic parameters that let you and your viewers play out what-if scenarios right inside your dashboards. It's a game changer, especially when you need to forecast, plan, or just understand the impact of decisions before jumping in. So let's get started right away. The concept of what-if analysis in Power BI is all about creating dynamic scenarios. Think of it as building a virtual control panel where you can tweak numbers like discount rates, growth percentages, or pricing, and instantly watch your calculations update in real time. This hands-on flexibility really helps when you need to test ideas or visualize how different choices can change your outcomes. To set it up, you'll want to head over to the Modeling tab at the top of Power BI. Here, where the magic begins, click on New Parameter and then choose What-If Parameter. This window is your chance to define the scenario you want to play with. Maybe you want to test out discount rates for a sale. Go ahead and set your range, like from 0% to 20%, and pick your increment, such as 1%. Once you hit OK, Power BI automatically creates two things for you: a parameter table and a slicer visual on your report. The slicer is what your users will interact with. They'll be able to slide between the minimum and maximum values you set. Take your time to adjust these, and don't worry if it feels a bit unfamiliar at first. You'll quickly see how powerful this feature becomes as you work with it. Now here, where it gets really interesting. Along with the table, Power BI generates a measure for your parameter. What does that mean? Well, you can drop this measure directly into your DAX formulas. So for example, if you're analyzing sales and you want to see how applying a discount rate impacts your revenue, just use that discount parameter in your formula. Or maybe you're looking to model potential growth, try plugging in a growth rate parameter, and you'll instantly see how sales projections shift. This step opens the door to endless what-if explorations and really allows your end users to be active participants rather than passive viewers. The result, users can grab the slicer you created and slide it back and forth, immediately seeing how your key performance indicators, like revenue, profit, or sales growth, respond to changes. Imagine you're in a meeting and your boss asks what happens if you run a 15% discount instead of 10%. Instead of scrambling for a new report, just tweak the slicer and you're ready to go. This really helps with scenario planning, forecasting, and supporting decision-making right on the spot. So to sum it up, what-if analysis in Power BI combines interactive parameters with DAX calculations to make your reports come alive. It's not just about looking at data, it's about asking questions and seeing answers in real time, turning your dashboards into truly dynamic, insightful decision tools. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like to see covered. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.